In the world of work, we are right on the edge of a fundamental shift. For years, we've been asking what AI can do for us. But the real question, the one that's changing everything, is what can AI do with us? And trust me, this isn't just another upgrade, it's a whole new ballgame. Now, everything we're about to dive into isn't just speculation. It comes straight from Chapter 1 of a major report called AI Industry Predictions for 2026 by Virtualization Options LLC. It's designed to give strategic insight to leaders, investors, and IT folks. And it all kicks off by asking one really critical question.
And that really tees up the big question on everyone's mind, right? When you think about AI, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Is it just a handy tool, maybe a threat to your job, or could it be something else entirely? Well, this report makes a pretty bold case for a totally new perspective, seeing AI as your next team. And that's the core idea we're going to unpack here. The future isn't about AI humming away in the background anymore. Nope, it's about AI working right alongside us, in the thick of it. The report predicts that by 2026, this whole conversation is going to be unrecognizable. We're moving way beyond thinking of AI as just a simple productivity hack. We're about to enter an era where AI is woven deep into the fabric of teamwork itself, shaping how we brainstorm, how we solve problems, and how we innovate. So let's really break down this paradigm shift. What does it actually mean to go from seeing AI as a simple tool to seeing it as a genuine teammate? For the longest time, the view has been pretty simple, right? AI was a productivity tool, something to help us do the same old tasks just a bit faster. It was all about efficiency gains, not really about fundamental change. But then you see a quote like this from Microsoft's Chief Product Officer, Aparna Channabragada, and it just completely reframes everything. Digital coworkers. Think about that phrase. That's the key. This isn't just about getting more work done, it's about giving small, agile teams the power to have a massive global impact. And this idea is echoed by Microsoft's own research. The crucial point here, the thing to really hold on to, is that this isn't a story about replacement. It is a story about amplification, using AI to enhance and expand what we humans are capable of. Okay, so if AI is our new teammate, how does that collaboration actually work? What are the rules of engagement? Well, to get it, we need to look at what each side is bringing to the table. This is where it gets really interesting. Look at this division of labor. On one side, you have AI, which is an absolute beast at processing insane amounts of data and chewing through repetitive tasks. And by taking on that grind, it frees us up, the humans, to focus on what we do best: pure creativity, nuanced ethical judgment, and that big picture strategic thinking. It's a true partnership of complementary skills. And this partnership doesn't just make things a little better, it completely transforms them. It leads to three huge outcomes. First, you get collaborative intelligence, which just makes our decision-making sharper. That then leads to scale amplification, where a tiny team can suddenly punch way above its weight, operating like a huge enterprise. And the result of all that? Creativity unleashed. All that brain power that used to be wasted on boring tasks is now set free to innovate. So here's the crucial point. This is not just some cool tech trend. According to the report, adapting to this new reality is a strategic imperative. We're talking about survival and gaining a serious competitive advantage. And this image really just nails the core message. By 2026, AI won't be some siloed IT project off in a corner. It is going to be woven into the very DNA of business, completely redefining what it means to grow and compete in basically every industry out there. Now, making this shift happen, it's going to take real action from every level. It all starts at the top with leadership. They have to rethink the very structure of their organizations. Then, that vision gets turned into reality by IT management, who have the massive job of building the systems for this seamless interaction. And finally, investors have to get smart and learn how to spot the companies that aren't just using AI, but are truly mastering this new collaborative model. So, the call to action from the report is crystal clear. This is not about tacking AI onto your old processes. It's about a fundamental, ground-up redesign of your most important workflows, built around the principles of a true human-AI partnership. All right, so we get the what and we get the why, but how do you actually prepare for this new partnership? Well, the report lays out a pretty clear three-step action plan. It's a really logical progression. First, you start with education. You've got to get everyone on the same page with AI literacy. From there, you move on to execution. You start small, redesigning and piloting new workflows, and then, crucially,
You support the whole thing with leadership. That means real change management and training your managers for the new reality of leading these hybrid human-AI teams. Which brings us to the final and honestly the most important question of all. How do we make sure our workforce feels not just ready for this change, but truly empowered by it? How do we build a culture where people look at their new digital colleagues not as a threat, but as the ultimate key to unlocking their own potential? According to this report, that is the core challenge and the single greatest opportunity of the years to come.